In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to N8n. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to your new sheet. You can use a blank spreadsheet or an existing one, but it is best to follow along with a simple sheet so everything is easy to spot as we go. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct document and that you have editing access, because add-ons require permission to install. Next, look at the top menu bar and click Extensions. This menu is where Google Sheets keeps tools that expand what your spreadsheet can do. From Extensions, click Add-ons. This opens the area where you can manage any add-ons you already have and also find new ones. Now click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window or dialog. This marketplace is the official place to install add-ons for Google Sheets, so it is the safest way to search and install the tool you need. In the Marketplace window, click into the search field labeled Search Apps. Make sure your cursor is active in that box, then type Highlight. As you type, search results will begin to appear. Give it a second to load fully so you can see the closest matches. From the results list, click the add-on named Thor Alert Sheet Notification for Google Sheets trademark. When you select it, you will be taken to the add-on details page. This page typically includes a short description, screenshots, and permissions information. Take a brief moment to confirm you are selecting the correct add-on by checking the name carefully. Finally, click on Highlight as shown in the instructions. This completes the selection step inside the Marketplace flow, and it is the final action in this walkthrough. After this, you can return to your spreadsheet and continue setting up your automation on the N8n side, using your sheet as the source or destination for data. If you do not see the add-on right away, refresh the Spreadsheet tab and check the Extensions menu again. And that is all there is to it.